everyone, welcome back to the Good Show! Our topic for tonight is China's energy strategy. Well, this is our final round and we're gonna be introducing our finalists for tonight. Our first competitor is Inesh from Price University and Gustavo, who's also from Price University. Well, who will become victorious and sustainable in the final competition? Or who will fall like Chernobyl? Let us begin. The first video for today is from a documentary. Let us go on to the video.
Hydroelectricity is the largest contributor of renewable energy in China. The Three Gorges Dam is an example. It is the world's largest electricity generating plant. The dam is over 2 kilometers long and 100 meters high. This project was internationally funded by companies and banks. This is a multi-purpose scheme. One of the purposes is to increase the river's navigation capacity, which reduces the potential for floods downstream. However, the main objective of this dam is to reduce China's dependence on coal. The dam will protect an estimated 10 million people from flooding. However, over 1 million people had to be moved to make way for the dam and lake. Much of the resettlement has been on land 800 meters above sea level, which is colder and has less fertile soil. The dam was built at a high cost of 70 billion, which many people argue that this money could have been better spent.
And we're back with our first question. In which province is the Three Gorges Dam built?
Me!
Inesh.
Yangtze River in Hubei province.
Correct! Okay, 1 point to Inesh. Second question. In the beginning, how many main generators were there? Gustavo.
38 main generators and 700 megawatts of power, each one.
Brilliant answer. 1 point to Gustavo.
China overtook the USA as the world's top energy user in 2009. China consumed 2.2 billion tons of oil equivalent compared with 2.17 billion tons in the USA. The demand for energy in China continues to increase as the country expands its industrial base. However, energy usage per person in the USA is still much higher than in China by 5 times. In 2008, China's energy consumption breakdown by traditional energy sources was coal with 70.2%, oil with 18.7%, hydroelectricity with 6.6%, natural gas with 3.6%, and nuclear energy with 0.75%.
On to our world comparison questions. First question of this part. Which country did China overtake in total energy usage in 2009? Inesh?
India.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No. On to Gustavo.
Oh, in the United States of America.
And that is the correct answer.
Oh,
The United States of America.
men are the best.
Second question. How much higher is the energy usage of China compared to the USA?
Oh, I know. Simple.
Gustavo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times higher.
And you are correct. 5 times higher. On to our final question of this part. When did China become the second largest in the wind power industry worldwide?
Oh, I read A.
Okay, Inesh.
2010.
Incorrect.
Wow.
Gustavo.
Is it between the year 2005 and 2009?
Brilliant answer. Exact time frame.
This is a piece of cake for me.
We'll be on to the video about China's energy policy.
China's energy policy has changed over time. As the economy expanded rapidly in the 1980s and 1990s, much emphasis was placed on China's main energy resource, which is coal, in terms of both increasing production and building more coal-fired power stations. Before the early 1990s, China was also an exporter of oil. However, China is now a very significant importer. This transformation has had a major impact on Chinese energy policy as the country has sought to secure overseas sources of supply. Chinese investment in energy resources in Africa has increased rapidly, but the country has also made a range of long-term contracts in Latin America, the Middle East, and Asia. According to Greenpeace, 80% of China's carbon dioxide emission and 85% of its sulfur dioxide pollution come from burning coal. Greenpeace also noted in 2009 that a new coal-fired power station is built in China every 7 to 10 days.
And we're back. First question. When did China's economy expand to cause a change in the energy policy? Dinesh?
Between 1980s and 1990s.
And you're correct.
Oh.
On to the next question. What was the amount of pollution caused by burning coal?
Oh, I know.
Dinesh?
It was me. Just.
China 80% carbon dioxide emission and 85% sulfur dioxide emission burning coal.
Yeah, that's not correct.
And you're correct, Dinesh.
Yes, I'm coming back.
Another point for Dinesh. And we'll be going on to the video about China's renewable energy.
Total renewable energy capacity in China reached 226 gigawatts in 2009. This included 197 gigawatts of hydroelectricity, 25.8 gigawatts of wind energy, 3.2 gigawatts of biomass, 0.4 gigawatts of grid-connected solar PV power, 34 megawatts of geothermal power, and 4 megawatts of marine energy. Renewable energy contributed more than 1/4 of China's total installed energy capacity.
And we're back with our final question. What was the total energy capacity in China during 2009?
Wait.
So,
Once it's about 230 gigawatts of power in 2009.
I wouldn't consider that as an exact answer.
Whatever.
Dinesh?
226 gigawatts.
And you're correct.
It's about the same thing.
I'm so sorry, Gustavo. We'll be back.
Oh, you.
And we're back with a result. A rather surprising result, since our two competitors have a really close score. We decided to add a bonus question. And here it is. Explain the 3 phases of China's government reserve control.
Me!
Nesh.
Phase 1 consists of 101.9 million barrel reserve, which is completed at the end of 2008.
Correct.
Phase 2 consists of 170 million barrel reserve, completed by 2011. And the third phase, which is the last phase, expand to 204 million barrel reserve.
And you're correct, Nesh. Brilliant.
What? Yes!
We will be back with our final results.
Boom.
After several intense rounds, we have a winner. The results were really close, only by 1 point of difference. Who would it be? And the winner is... Ines!
No!
Congratulations!
Oh, congratulations.
A rather surprise.